Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a new 12 by 12 layout today for Paper Rose using their brand new Heartwood House collection. This collection is so cute and fun, and I knew that I had the perfect photographs to a scrapbook with it when I received my Paper Rose design team assignments. So I have the regular paper, I have the basics paper. I always love the basics paper, and that floral is amazing. And then I also have the embossed die cut package. So today's layout is going to be one of those lovely ones that so many of you have asked for, where we have lots of photos and it comes together very nice and quick. Today's project has 4 photographs on it. 2 that are just a bit smaller than 4 by 6, 2 that are just a bit smaller than 3 by 4, and we are going to go ahead and mat those photographs with 2 of the different pattern papers, this striped pattern paper and my absolute favorite, which is this floral paper. This floral paper is so good, you guys. Like, so good. I adore it. I chose this pattern paper that has this kind of large element printed on it, and this pretty border across the bottom. I really liked it, and it's going to work perfectly for my scrapbook layout. So let's talk about the photos very quickly. My best friend, her daughter, was married during the pandemic. So in 2020, she actually got married early, so that because she ended up not being able to have a wedding or a reception. Everything was canceled, and people couldn't be, you couldn't have more than like 9 people at an event, things like that. So she just very quietly got married. And her mom said, when your 5-year anniversary comes, hopefully we will be done with this pandemic and we will have a huge party. And that is exactly what we did. So we threw a big anniversary party for her. There was this beautiful backdrop, and the backdrop and the decor of her party looked so good with this collection. I had been hanging on to these 4 photos from the party and was just kind of waiting to see how I wanted to scrapbook them. And this was the perfect, absolute perfect collection to a scrapbook with them. I loved this pattern paper because it has the pair of birds in the lower right hand corner, and this was an anniversary layout, and I thought that would be perfect to use. Once I had my photos in place, I wanted to go ahead and add my title. I'm going to use 2 sets of letters from my stash. One are these gold sparkling Fitzgerald thickers that I love, and the other ones are these. They look like typewriter keys. They're also from American Crafts. They're like puffy thickers. I love them, and I have, I think, 4 or 5 packs of them because they're really sweet, and I really like them. I use them a ton. I chose the title, Happy Anniversary, Let's Party. And this is going to be a 1-page layout. I didn't want to, I picked my 4 favorite photos, and that is plenty to document this party. I chose some of the gorgeous embossed die cuts that I thought would really work well. I'm holding the layout in place with my magnets and just creating these cute little clusters. So I chose some overlapping banners at the top, a little teacup with a little heart, more of those beautiful floral elements because they were my absolute favorite, and I just clustered them up to create a visual triangle. And I did add one of the embossed words love in the upper left-hand corner of my layout as well. To finish my layout, I am going to be adding some of these little adhesive pearls from Pink and Maine. I still have one more package of them left. You can see I've been trying so hard to get them on as many layouts as possible and get them used up out of my stash and onto some scrapbook pages. So I'm going to cluster around. I chose the light pink color and the gold color, and I'm going to accent them or use them as confetti around my clusters. And then this layout is done. So 4 photos on one page, pretty good. I used one of those papers that has the pre-printed elements on it, and I let that be a large portion of my layout, and I worked around it to create. And I just love how this layout turned out. It is really, really sweet. And yeah, it turned out really good and really quick and easy. So I hope that you've enjoyed today's project. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. I will see you again Wednesday. I know my videos went up a little bit on different days this week. That is because I took a road trip. I went out to Pittsburgh, and we'll talk about that later. So have a wonderful day, everyone, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.